that Hey guys, it's me Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking off this wig. I'm just gonna be doing a take off and wash day for today because this wig is like really itchy. Like I only had this wig on for like about a week. I also had the last wig, Ivona. If you want to go to that video, the link will be in the description down below, and you can see the thumbnail here. But that wig I had on for about a week too, and it was because it was itchy. That's why I took it off so quick. So today I'm gonna be taking off this wig. This wig is called Danita, and it's in the color DR6, I believe. I don't know the rest of it. I just know it's DR6. But yeah, and also it's getting really hot outside, so it's like I don't want to wear these like itchy wigs anymore. I want to like get braids or like possibly get like a headband wig where I could just take it off, because I usually glue down these wigs. This time I glued down this wig with this glue, and I didn't buy the glue remover, I just bought this glue. So today we're just gonna remove the wig with coconut oil because that's what I have, and I watched videos and they said to use oil of some sort, and I thought coconut oil would be the safest, especially for these type of wigs. Doing right here, I'm just combing back the edges that I did. I think this wig can actually really like come off with me pulling it, but I don't want to risk it. I might put this wig back on. It's lifting. Yeah. Where's my speaker? I might put this wig back on. This wig, I mean, I'm repeating myself. What's it called? This glue has been tacky for a minute. Like, it's been, I don't know why, but like it's still sticky. Like I can still feel the stickiness of the glue. I don't know, but like I basically could just peel this off, but did it take my sideburns off? I would not have to wash my hair. But I took the wig off. This is the wig. She pretty. I'm happy to have it off because my scalp has been itching me. I'm looking at the thing to see. I didn't have to use too much coconut oil to take this off, which is a good thing. For this wig cap now. Okay, I took the cap off. Surprisingly, it's more of the wig hair than my hair that's on here. But yeah. My braids don't look that bad. They're hella itchy though, like hella. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'm just gonna figure out what I'm gonna do to my hair next. Alright, sorry for the background noise. That's the AC. but I decided to do a slick back on my hair. All I did was wash my hair, and then I blow dried it, and then I flat ironed it. I only flat ironed it, like I only passed through with the flat iron one time on my hair because all I needed to do was get my hair flat so that I could do a slick back on my hair. So yeah, if you have 4C hair, you know, like it's a struggle to get it slick back. So that's basically what I do, and I just use Gossipy as my gel, and I use the spray Gossipy to slick down my hair. And yeah.